Well, there's a lot of screws on this metal chassis. We have already removed the screw and try to save times on this video. This is the inverter. There's two screws holding the inverter. First, we're gonna remove the inverter. Then disconnect a backlight lamp connector on inverter. There's two 4 screws holding LCD screen. This sample, the video you're watching is for VersaView 1500M, which is using a Chimin 15-inch screen. The screen number is M150X2-T05. So it's only 2 screws, 1 screw on each corner. Remove a touchscreen's ribbon cable, set it aside, and slightly pull out a LCD screen. We're gonna set aside this front panel and back chassis aside, and then we're gonna show you how to pull out a CCL backlight and upgrade to LED on next. Always test LED strip first. Make sure all LED lights up as it's supposed to be. There's 2 small screws holding a CCFL backlight reflectors that you need to remove it. After the screw has been removed, and you can tilt up one side a little bit and hold a CCFL wire, slowly pull out a metal reflector. Here's a LED strip, one on top, one on bottom. Because the original CCFL reflector is much smaller than what our UB series LED strip, and so we're gonna directly mount this UB 54 series inside the screen, which is on the side of the metal frame on each side. So slice in, and you had to use couple of use a short screwdriver, kind of tilt a little bit, make sure the double side tip sticks on the metal frames, and then you need to use a little bit longer one, and make sure the inside other side stick to the metal frame too. See, this is a little longer one. You don't have to use. You can use a screwdriver, but you can use a plastic stick, whichever tools that can get inside and make sure, just make sure that stick to a metal frame. Again, slowly slice in. and then push down. Yeah, push down, make sure it sticks. And use a little bit longer one, and make sure the other side sticks too. Now we are putting back the LCD screen, and just put back with 4 screws on the screen itself. It's kind of like a reverse the procedure that we just showed you at the beginning of the videos. Yeah, 4 screws, one's on each corner. Now we're gonna mount our LED converter on the same place like it was like the inverters. So since upgrade to the LED strip, it had to use this our converters. The part number for this is MS456UB. All mounted by the same place. And then we're gonna put back the cable, the ribbon cable. That is for the touchscreen ribbon cable. Now you're going to slowly, be really careful, slowly flick over the back chassis, and before you do that, connect the LCD screen wire harness first. This small module is holding my 2 tiny screws just to secure the connector between the LCD screen to the main board. Now there's a touchscreen ribbon cable, hit the touchscreen cable, and to connect to the touchscreen controllers, small controllers here. You connect that, and the inverter wire harness, connect to inverter wire harness to our LED converters. Now everything looks good. So we just want to put a couple screws that holds the chassis, and then we're gonna test it and every functions, make sure it's working, and then we put all screw back. We connect DC 12 volts. We're gonna flick over, see what happened. Push it on. See the screen on, the on-screen display is there. Looks good. Try again. Yep, looks good. This is on-screen display. So we're gonna flick over. And disconnect the power jack, DC jack, and just put all screw back. That's it.